Hello and welcome once again to the Daily Message. On this Friday, this day after Thanksgiving, I thought it would be appropriate to present a prayer that is addressed about those who are no longer with us, those who have gone before us in death. And so I want to offer this prayer by Jack Zavada. It's entitled, Thank You for Their Life. Lord, this year there's an empty chair at the table. But instead of feeling sad, we give thanks for their life. They help make us who we are today. Their love and wisdom got us through every crisis, large and small. And we give thanks for their laughter. Lots of laughter. Lord, you blessed us with their presence here on earth. But through your Son, Jesus, we will all be able to enjoy them in heaven with you forever. Thank you for this priceless gift. Amen. And thank you for watching today, and please have a wonderful Thanksgiving weekend.